Hi guys, my name is Mirza. Today I'm going to show you new features for which we have been waiting for a long time, and that is automatic drainage connection. Now you can assign standard drainage connections very easily. Like many of the times we have this type of situations, like we have a drainage flow drain connections, and we have the main pipes, and how we can connect it like in different situations. So today I'm going to show you that and how easily we can connect with the standard connections. So let me check what is that current situations we have. So we have that flow drains over here, and this is the current elevations of the main pipes. Now we are going to do the pipes like connect with this main pipe, but not manually. We'll use a magic tool for the square connections. So using this tool I can assign say where I want to connect. So I want to show you over here, and now it is suggesting me like how you wanted to connect it. Like, so you can assign a different connections. You can see that one, a preview of that. See this, the connections will going to be like. Now suppose I want an automatic connection. So for the automatic connections it will take the straight connections. So it will following the slopes and it will take in a straight connections. But if you want to provide some like offset of that branch pipe, then you can use without automatic, and you can assign that floor offset over here. Say I'm going to make 400 minus 400 and update it. Now it will give me like how the connections is going to be like. So this is the elevation, so you can change it like what are the elevations you want. You can adjust this. Suppose I want minus 600 elevations. Now I'll update it and it will keep little bit down. You can see that one. Say if I want like more elevations, minus 400. So I'll click once again and then update, and you can see what is the changes. Now if I hit OK, you can choose the different types of connection fittings. You can either this fitting, either this fitting, so any of that connection fittings you can choose, and you can see it takes a 2 fitting instead of 1 fitting. So for the smooth connections you can do that. Now there are different connections options you can use do it. So I'm going to take this one. Okay, and here we go. I'll show you over here. Like I'll put 2 elevations, one elevations, one plan. So you can see it. This is the pipe is following the exact slope. Now some people start looking for this type of connections. You can do that. Now it is very easy to do that connections. And if you wanted to see in 3D, I'll just go to the 3D. Here we go. Okay, now we are here, and you can see that connections. If you need this type of connections, it's very easy to do that. Say I just deleted this connections over here. I would have connected with this one to this one. Now if I want to connect it to the straight connections, if you want, it's very easy to do that. Suppose I just move it a little bit, shift it over here, and say using the magic edge square connections, we can easily connect it with this fitting to this pipe. Like here, if you want the straight connections, you can do that. This is the straight connections. Now I don't want, I just want in automatic connections, either this connections, or if you want this connections, so any of that connections you can choose. And here you can assign the slope as well, or your previous set slope it will take automatically. Now you can see what is going on over here. So I'll just increase a little bit on that. You can see the connections either of the side. So now the drainage connection is very easy with using magic tools. So thank you guys. Again, I'm showing which tool I'm using. So for the side square connections, okay, so any type of drainage connections you can do it. You can follow your slope, you can maintain your slope, and do you can get any type of standard connections you want. So thank you guys.